Okay, short video on checking air filters. The filter, the air that goes into the engine needs to be clean air, so we need to run it through a filter of some sort. Usually they're paper filament filters, and I'm just going to go through a couple different vehicles, 2-3 different vehicles we have in the shop here to show you. So the more modern, well, let me start with the older ones. Back in the day with engines that were carbureted, it's pretty easy to tell. They sat right up here on the top of the engine. Inside this air cleaner was an air filter, and it's not even there. It's been removed. There's you see a circular surface where the filter would have mounted and take up the space between the lid and the base. Air could not get into the carburetor in the middle without having first gone through the air filter. These engines in the shop, we do not have filters on them. This car does have an aftermarket air filter, but it's right here. So that's it's like a K&N style filter. It's not a paper filament. So that gives you an idea of what it would look like. More modern vehicle. We'll use one of the Jeep. Here, the hood opened up. So this is a little tricky. You got to figure out where's the air getting into the engine. On this particular one, this tube that you see here is coming over, and this box has the computer that runs the engine mounted on the top, so it helps keep this computer cool because the air flows into the box underneath it, and that's where the air filter's kept. So this one's a little more elaborate. You have to take the screws out and remove the lid and get access to the filter itself, and then you can see that this is the air's coming in and enters in through this section and then goes through the filter and then actually comes into the engine from right to left in that hose there. So that's one option. We'll look at the Hyundai next. Released. And this is a little more conventional. You see this box over near the battery. That will be where the filter is housed. And in this case, there's clips, which is pretty common. It could be 4 clips, one in each corner, which looks like that's what we're doing here. Sometimes there's 2 clips. You unsnap those, and then the top will slide out, and it's just kind of under a little edge or a hook on one side. There'll be a paper filament inside. Take that out, inspect it. Usually shine a light through it to see just how dirty it is, and show Mr. Sitting at that time, and we'll get you signed off. Good luck.